Welcome back. History lovers group of Goa have accused the State Archaeology Department of neglecting Korzue Fort. They said despite several memorandums for cleaning of the fort, the officials have neglected their appeal. Activists have also demanded that the fort should be brought under the GTDC itinerary for tourist attraction. The group initiated cleaning drive at the fort.
आज आम्ही हिस्ट्री लवर्स ग्रुपान एक इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतिल्लो आसा. ह्या इनिशिएटिव्हान आम्ही खोर्जुवे फोर्ट क्लीन करपाचो इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतला. हो खोर्जुवे फोर्ट हो युनिक फोर्ट आसा आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो आणि आमच्या आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन खूब अशे कमी हेरिटेज सायट्स आसा जो आम्ही आमचो ग्रुप प्रोटेक्ट करपाक ट्राय करता. ह्या खातीर आम्ही आमच्या लोकांक आल्दोनच्या लोकांक आनी फूल गोवातल्या सगळ्या लोकांक आम्ही अपील करता की तांच्यांनी सुद्दां आमकां सपोज कसले हेरिटेज सायट आशिल्ले जाल्यार आमकां सांगचे आनी आमी इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवन ते प्रोटेक्ट करपाक ट्राय करतले.
This Korzue fort was once of the hold of Bhosles from Savantwadi, which was then captured by the Portuguese in 1706. History lovers group demands State Archaeology Department's attention towards the fort.
ही ड्युटी स्टेट आर्किओलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटाची पण स्टेट आर्किओलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट हॅज निग्लेक्टेड द फोर्ट फॉर अ लॉंग टायम अँड दिस इज एक्चुअली अ गुड मॉडेल फॉर टुरिजम. हांगा इतलें टुरिजम पोटेंशियल आसा की बोट्स हांगा टुरिस्टांक हाडून हांगा लोकल्स एम्प्लॉय करून हाजे एज अ वॉचमॅन दीस फोर्ट कॅन बी पुट ऑन द GTDC आयटिनरी. आम्ही सजेस्टूय केलें आनी सेवरल टायम्स वी हॅव रिटन लेटर्स टू स्टेट आर्किओलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट रिगार्डिंग द क्लिनिंग ऑफ वेजिटेशन पूण ताणें करूं ना.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Goa Athletic Association's 47th state championship has drawn a great response with around 1,000 participants registering for the two-day meet. The topmost athletes will be selected to represent Goa at the upcoming national games in Kerala. Meanwhile, Defence Minister and former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured public usage of the top-class Bamboli Stadium in the near future.
Parrikar was the chief guest for the inaugural ceremony of the Hanumant Naik Memorial State Athletics Championship at Bambole on Saturday morning. Constructed in record time for last year's Lusophonia Games, the Bambole Stadium was planned to be used by the school students and public. However, it was turning out to be a difficult task even for the sports associations to get the stadium for their events. Parrikar has assured to make the stadium available for people for sports activities in near future.
The concept was to allow this to be used by schools and children from those students as well as for general public use. I think that is slowly coming into reality.
Meanwhile, the track and field events saw great competition in some of the events. Here are some of the best moments from the opening day.
Under 16. A short time. Set.
All eyes on track for the under 8.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Omkar Farari from Bambole.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.